Captive audience meetings. So AB 399 creates this new act called the California Worker Freedom from Employer Intimidation Act. And this is an interesting one. So it prohibits the discharge, discrimination, or retaliation against or threat to carry out such actions if an employee refuses to attend any employer sponsored meeting related to religious matters, political matters, or any decision making related to labor organization or union discussions. And you might think, who does that? I will assure you that I have seen it, or I have seen claims related to this. So I have defended a lawsuit where, and this is public record, so I can share, but I defended a lawsuit where an employee claimed discrimination because he did not want to participate in an event that was one where the employer wanted everybody to come up and kind of share what they were grateful for. So this is where you can go, okay, what constitutes a a meeting related to religion, a religious matter or a political matter. So the employer apparently asks people to come up, share what they're grateful for. They can offer prayers if they want. They can, not pray. They can meditate, do whatever they want. And then the employer proceeded to have somebody come and check the feng shui of the building, sage the building, and the employee claimed that he felt that that was a religious activity and that he was discriminated against because he did not want to participate in that activity. So it will be interesting to see. And this was before this law came out. So now that we have this law, I think it would be really interesting to see how far people go with what they claim to be uncomfortable with. So if you are going to have anything that could remotely be defined as a possibly religious activity, do it off company time. Definitely make it optional. Do not make it mandatory. And I think where people run into trouble is sometimes employees will claim that, yes, although they say it's not mandatory, I feel that if I do not go, I will be retaliated against. So maybe stay away from it totally. But just be aware that this is something that will likely come up in the future.